Now this has a sensitivity of minus 38 dB and can handle up to 90 dB SPL, which means that voice will stand out loud and clear even in those noisy environments like busy streets or outdoor sports. Plus, with the frequency range from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, it preserves that natural detail in your voice, which is perfect for interviews, vlogs, TikToks, whatever you happen to be using. And I'll play a clip here in just a minute of what this actually sounds like right out of the box, just straight, no editing whatsoever. I'll give you that here in just a second. But overall, after my testing, the quality is fantastic. They did such a great job with it. And FIFINE, man, you know, I've been keeping an eye on them in a lot of different perspectives from, you know, some of their very first products, and they are making some really, really great stuff.